join me in giving a warm welcome to the President of the Packaging Institute of the Philippines. A round of applause for Mr. Marvin Lee.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 33rd edition of Pack Print Plus Philippines 2025. Pack Print Plus is more than a fixture in our annual calendar. It is a catalyst for change, a window into the future of our industries, and a platform where ideas are transformed into action. Each year, it convenes leaders, innovators, and experts who share a common purpose: to build industries that are not only globally competitive, but also forward-looking, adaptive, and responsible. The packaging industry, in particular, is at a crucial juncture. Once regarded simply as a means to contain or protect, packaging has now evolved into a strategic driver of consumer engagement, supply chain efficiency, and environmental stewardship. It directly influences how products are perceived, how they move across global markets, and how businesses respond to the urgent call for sustainability. Today, we are witnessing innovations that redefine the very role of packaging. Advanced sustainable materials that minimize waste while maintaining durability and performance. Smart, intelligent packaging solutions that integrate digital technologies such as QR codes, sensors, and data analytics into everyday functionality. Designs that balance form and function, meeting consumer demand for aesthetics while supporting operational efficiency. These are not minor upgrades. They are transformative shifts that align with global megatrends in sustainability, digitalization, and consumer empowerment. At the Packaging Institute of the Philippines, we take pride in complementing these advances with our strong commitment to training, education, and workforce development. By equipping our professionals with the right knowledge and skills, we ensure that the industry remains efficient, innovative, and environmentally responsible. Our mandate is not only to advance technology, but also to develop the human capital that will sustain long-term growth. Pack Print Plus Philippines 2025 serves as a vital forum where we exchange expertise, forge partnerships, and set new benchmarks for excellence. It is an opportunity to strengthen collaboration among stakeholders, to learn from one another, and to position the Philippine packaging industry as a significant contributor to both regional and global value chains. On behalf of the Packaging Institute of the Philippines, I extend my warmest welcome to all of you. May this event inspire meaningful dialogue, spark innovation, and pave the way for stronger, more sustainable industries. Once again, welcome and enjoy Pack Print Plus Philippines 2025. Thank you.